Today's webinar, as you know, focuses on the Americans with Disabilities Act. So what exactly is the Americans with Disabilities Act, and how did it come to be? So some background on the Act is that it became law in 1990. It's a civil rights law that prohibits discrimination against people with disabilities in all areas of public life, including jobs, schools, transportation, and any public and private place that's open to the general public. It applies to private employers who have at least 15 employees. It also is applicable to employment agencies, labor organizations, and joint labor management committees. It's good to note that local government employers are also required to follow the provisions of the ADA. And that would be state employers are required to follow the ADA, but their employees are not allowed to sue those employers for money damages if they violate the ADA provisions. But state employees can still file claims, and those may be litigated by the Department of Justice, and the employer could be fined if found liable. The ADA is divided into 5 titles or areas of coverage, and we'll talk about those in more detail as we go through the slides. So as we said, the purpose of the ADA ensures people who have disabilities are afforded the same rights and opportunities as everybody else. It guarantees equal opportunity for individuals with disabilities in public accommodations. I want to thank all of our participants today. I hope you found this webinar to be informative and helpful. And if you should have any further questions that you think of after the presentation, I'm sure you can contact Pioneer Educators, and they can get in touch with me, and I'll be happy to provide any answers for you. Thank you for hosting today.